Hi, it's Trevor Cow here. I hope you're very, very well. And actually, I hope that I may be able to make you a bit better in terms of your finances, at least anyway. What I'd like to do is I'd like to show you a little insight into my life and how it's changed. And we're going to take a look at my Warrior Plus account now. And we're going to go back just a few years. And we're going to look at the month of July. And I'm going to show you the difference that you can achieve in just a very short period of time. And then I'm going to explain to you how you can do exactly the same. So I think that's going to be good. So let's go and take a look now inside my Warrior Plus account. And here we are in 2016. Now, in fact, I guess I could go to 2015. So I don't even know if there'll be anything in 2015, but let's take a look and see July 2015 and see what we've got. Yeah, I was active. You can see, so 2015, I say I was active. There were hops going through to my affiliate links. Okay, now this may have been something that, or it may be something that you can relate to, and that is that throughout the period of an entire month, you can earn no money at all. I don't know. I'm going to try 2014 and just see, was I sending any traffic in 2014 on Warrior Plus? Yes, look at that. 61 hops, not a single sale. Let's try 2013. And you want to stick around because I'm going to show you some interesting stats. Alright, so 2014 was when I began sending traffic, by the looks of it, to Warrior Plus. We're just looking at July, and there's a reason for that. Because if we come to 2015, so just to recap here, just to count back up again, I sent 12 hops to 3 different offers. They're all Janny G offers. I remember these offers, and I remember how I was sending traffic and how it was so wrong. Now we're going to go to 2016, and this is before I went full time. So this is while I was working in the evenings and in my lunch breaks and stuff like that. And you know, a little bit better. There's quite a few different offers receiving hits there. I remember being your ads. Fiverr Cash Hunter was actually one of my own product launches with Fergal Downs. And I remember Free Traffic Bonanza. I remember the 100k case study. I remember these wealth ascensions. I remember these. But look, guys, in 2016 in July, for the entire month, I made $67.82, which is not great. All right, not great at all. So let's see. What did I do in July 2017, which was the year that I went full-time as an internet marketer? So I went from $67 to, it's taken a bit of time to load it, let's go again, $67 to $2,542 in total. So $2,500 in 2017, not bad. Did 100 sales of Jonas's product, Lindgren's Lazy Method. 65 sales of Fergal's there, so not bad. You know, I mean, this is pretty good. 172 sales for the month. So let's go forward another year to July 2018 and see, what did I do? So 2,500, 2018, 4,380. So not bad. Now I've gone from less than $100 to over 2,000 now to over 4,000. So doing okay, all right, but not doing good enough really, because if we now come through to 2019, no, not 2098. I think I might be dead then, guys. 2019 and hit go, and we get 19,276. Right. That is, I've got to say, pretty impressive. And I don't show you that to show off. That is not the issue here at all. I show you that to show you what can be done and to give you inspiration. I show you that to give you hope. It's my favorite 4-letter word, hope, because with hope, everything in your life changes. With hope, all of a sudden, your problems can be dealt with. You find ways to get through, get over, get around the issues that you've got in your life when you've got hope. But if you've got no hope, then you are hopeless. And that is an awful feeling. And I've been there, I really have, trust me on that one. So the idea that there's something that you can do that you're in control of, which is what I'm doing, which is how I did that and how I got those figures, is, that's a great hope giver, because it does literally change everything. There are moments when you're in this business, and as you're achieving different sort of success levels, that you will feel, literally feel your hair stand on end. Well, if you're anything like me, with relief, because you're like, wow, thank you so much, And July 2019 has obviously been a fantastic month for me, and I'm very, very grateful. Now, yes, I do work hard, and I have worked hard for that, but I've worked hard at something that is consistently getting me results, okay? And I can show you exactly how I did that. That's the good thing about this business. I did say at the beginning that if I crack it and I start making money, I want to teach people how to do the same. So I've decided to do exactly that. And I've packaged that up into something called the Intrinsic Masterclass. Now, the Intrinsic Masterclass is the closest you can get to one-on-one coaching with me without paying the thousands of dollars that you'd need to pay to get one-on-one coaching with me. So I've cut it down to a very, very affordable price. And what I'm doing in there is I'm taking you through and I'm showing you how I started. Now, if we went back there and we looked at zero, and we had $67 and $2,000 and then $4,000, then $19,000. I'm going to go through in the Intrinsic Masterclass and show you the exact steps that I took to get where I am today. And the really, really exciting thing about this is that I'm still doing the same stuff that I was doing then. I'm just doing more of it, and I'm just learning and, trying to do it better, and just, I'm learning all the time. But all of that, the sum of all of that information is packaged up into the Intrinsic Masterclass. It's a case study, and at the moment it's still running live because I'm recording videos and I'm going through each week. I'm adding more training to that, and I show you literally from the start to the finish. So I've researched to find a product that I can take and create my own from. I can pimp it and I can make it my own product. I then show you everything that I do, how I recreate that product, how I rebrand that product, and I show you the intrinsic way of getting a delivery page and a sales page without having to have a website. So you don't need a website, you don't need a list. I'm going to show you everything. I'm going to show you me launching it. I show you going into Warrior Plus, creating the product and the offer and making it all nice and simple so you can follow along with that. And then at the end of it, I actually give you the product so you can go and load that into Warrior Plus yourself, and I'll show you how you can get sales. Even though it's the same product that I've got, there is a way to do that so you can get sales. That it will be your product, and you'll start to create a better rating for yourself on Warrior Plus as a vendor. And that's where all the juice is. You need to make the transition from a consumer that is constantly buying to a creator who is somebody that's actually creating material. And creating can be in all manner of ways. You can be creating full-grown products that you launch and that you sell, or you can be creating products that are bonuses that you give away, and you might give them away to build your list, for example, or you might give them away to get better affiliate commissions. And all of this stuff is all the stuff that I've learned over the years that has enabled me to take those figures to where they are now. So it doesn't matter if you didn't grab the main product launch Intrinsic that I did. You don't need that in order to get in on Intrinsic Masterclass, and you don't need that in order to know what Intrinsic Masterclass is all about, because the Intrinsic Masterclass literally it's like coming on a study course with me, where I show you, I say, right, this is what I did, this is how I did it, and I'm going to do it again for you now, and I show you step by step in all different videos. So let me take you inside now, and I'll show you exactly what the members area looks like, so you've got a bit of an idea of what you're going to get. And let me also tell you, there are no upsells, all right? So there's no funnel, you just pay the price, and that's it, you're in, okay? So let's go and take a look now. Okay, so here we are inside the Intrinsic members area. We have a welcome video from yours truly here. I could have picked a better image to stop on there, Trev. And then we come through to an introduction from me, and then we've got week 1. So the week 1, we've got introduction. When we've got private label rights product selection, I go through and teach you everything there. We've got the private label rights product selection 2, a recap so far. It's important that you don't get overwhelmed, so I do like to do a recap. Then we've got product naming, branding. I chose a product to create called Funnerific Fiber. I branded it. I show you me choosing the name. I show you me creating the logo. I show you me creating the e-cover. Literally everything is covered for you. Then we come on to recreating the content. I show you the original video that I got from the PLR. I show you my pimped version and how it's looking, and I show you exactly how to do that. It's very, very simple, so you can just follow in my footsteps. Then we've got creating the access doc, and I show you the exact access doc that I'm creating. Everything here, as you can see, the Funnerific Fiber is all case study based. I'm doing it live as we go through the next few weeks. Then we've got uploading and recording your videos, a demo of the new content. So I show you a demo of the video there that is part of the new product that I've created. So inside of the training, there are videos being uploaded on a regular basis. I've decided, I did think first of all that it's going to be like 3 weeks of training, but there's a lot of content to add in here, and I don't want anybody to get overwhelmed. So what I like to do is spread that out a bit over probably a longer period of time and add more videos than I initially intended to. So you're getting, as always, I like to over deliver. So then I also show you this is like, for example, the slides that I make. I take you through that. This is the access document. I take you through all of that, and I show you exactly how to do everything that I've done and everything that I do. Now, the intrinsic method is a method that I still use myself all the time. Everything that I'm teaching you in here is what I do all the time. The only difference is for the masterclass and for the intrinsic front end product, I teach you using documents and slides, etc., all free tools, so you don't have to have a website. You can have a website, but you don't have to have a website. So you don't have to worry about sales pages. I use docs for sales docs, and you don't have to worry about membership areas. I use docs for access to the products, and I teach you all of that to keep it nice and simple and to keep it nice and cheap. So the price at the moment, it's a 1997 course, okay? I opened it up and I cut the price down to just $297. I'm going to open a few more spots up for you guys to come in if you didn't get in on the first launch. So $297 gets you into the Intrinsic Masterclass, and you just follow along with me, and you learn everything that I've learned in this business in order to get me to where I am now. So it might, I know to a lot of you, it's a big investment, all right, but it's a small investment when you look at what the results that you can get at the end of it. It's an investment in you. It's an investment in your future, and it's being taught to you by somebody that's there in the trenches doing it. Now, I've done it. I've just come from where you are. You've seen my 0 results. I was having 0 days, day after day after day. It was driving me around the bend. So I know how that feels. It's frustrating, and you feel like you're never going to get anywhere, which is why I created Intrinsic, the front end product. And if you haven't got that, then, by all means pick that up as well. It's dirt cheap. But it was just, I wanted to show people that there is a way other than chasing the shiny objects round and round and going over and over and trying everything and not getting anywhere. There is a way that you can get results. And the Intrinsic Masterclass is my kind of it's my university for you. It's your degree in becoming a successful vendor and affiliate. It's becoming successful in this business. Now, if you just want to be getting affiliate commissions, that's fine. But if you follow the Intrinsic Masterclass method, I'll show you how all this leads to those affiliate commissions. Bearing in mind, the figures I've just shown you there in my Warrior Plus account were all affiliate commissions. And I've been able to get those kind of affiliate commissions simply because I followed the Intrinsic method and the strategies that I'm teaching you in the Intrinsic Masterclass. So, if you want to join me, I would love to have you on board. I'm going to open up a few more spots for a couple of days. And, you know, if you can do this, jump on and come and ride this journey with me. And let's take your business to the next level. Let's do for you what I was able to do. Even if you did a portion of that, you know, I'm sure you'd like to see regular commissions coming in on a daily basis. You know, maybe $50 a day, $100 a day. It can make the world of difference, and it can be life-changing. It really can. So, if you've got any questions, please let me know. Other than that, remember, there are no OTOs, no upsells, just that one entrance fee into the Intrinsic Masterclass, and then you're in. Job done. And then you can follow along, and you can, I'm doing the training, you can follow on and you can create your own stuff. You can follow with me. You can do it however you want. But more importantly is that you get the education on how I do this, all the tools I use and everything is shown for you. I don't leave anything out at all. It's all there for you. So please do yourself a favor, invest in yourself for once, treat yourself. You know, this is a small amount of money we're talking. $297, this could easily be a $2,000 course. $297 is all you need to pay, no upsells, just that one-off. Go and do it now. Don't second think it, don't hesitate. You know, I remember being in a situation like this. And somebody that I've just actually gone back on my phone and looked at pictures from 2012 when I went to the National Achievers Congress, and I saw a guy called Andrew Reynolds, and he put up on the screen, in fact I can show you, I think I've probably got the pictures here. He put up on the screen some images. Well, I can show you this. This was me in the hotel with his book there and a pint. But he put up some images on the screen. This was it. You could just see that was me at the National Achievers Congress, and that's a huge big screen in a great big exhibition center. And he put up this offer on the screen, and it was £10,000 or something, and then cut it down to £5,000. I was like, oh, I've got no chance here. But when he came down to 297, I was like, that's it, I'm in. Now, that was 2012. The stuff that I learned from the training that I took from him, I've carried forward, and that is where I began. That's where it all began to change for me. So invest in yourself. Join me now in the Intrinsic Masterclass. I can't wait to see you on board and help you to achieve your dreams. I'll speak to you soon. Take care. All the best. Trevor.